Welcome to Ola Joe, the Crocheting Sailor. This is the day that I've been waiting for. It is day 24. Merry Christmas Eve. And I thank you for tuning in every day to watch me open the Bag O' Day 12-day Advent. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh, I'm excited. So this box was very, very full, and she wanted me to open this up with care. Oh my God. Oh man. What? Crystal, you didn't have to do all this. Oh my gosh. I'm in yarn heaven. Look at this. Oh my God. Station break. Station break. Oh my God. I am over the moon already, but we'll start with this one. This is, I'm speechless, called Shadow in the Light. Shadow in the Light. I love that with the yellow and black. Very, very pretty. And it's 100% superwash merino. Oh, this is worsted weight 4. And oh, it's amazing. Look at that color. Oh, that's so pretty right there. Kind of reminds me of a bumblebee as well. Oh, it reminds me of that song. I saw the light. I saw the light. No more in darkness, no more in light. Yes, Shadow in the Light. I'm feeling that. Oh my goodness, you all need to let me know what some of your favorites are in this box. Oh my goodness. This is Emerald Citron. This is a DK, and this is 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, 10% nylon, and this is a DK weight, 231 yards, 100 grams, called Emerald Citron. No, Emerald City, correction. Emerald City. Beautiful name. Spot on. Emerald City. I'm feeling it, and I love the nice, rich green color. This is me right here. I love that. I love rich colors. I love a lot of colors, but I gravitate towards some bold ones as well. All right, this one right here is really, really nice. It's pink and purple. This is a really nice combination. It's 100% superwash merino. This is a worsted weight, 215 yards, and it's 197 meters. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. Very, very nice. Oh, wow. Now, this could fill the yarn ship, one of the yarn ship cubbies with all of Bag O' Day's yarn. Yes, definitely could do that. Oh, look at this one. This one is Specks of 4. That's what it looks like. And this is, oh, super buttery soft. It's a 50-50 silk. This is 50% silk, 50% superwash merino, 231 yards and 100 grams. Oh, this is nice. Specs of 4. This is pretty. I love the colors. Look at that. You see little hints of purple in there. There is teal and white with a little speckling. There is a little speckling going on there. Very, very beautiful. I'll turn it around. You get a little pop of fuchsia in there. Oh, I love that. That green. Oh, this is so pretty. Ah, definitely want to make something with this. And then I was thinking I could do like a cow or something with this. I don't know. But I'm feeling this. I feel like I want to do something with it. Now this one, look, this is a big baby right here. This is a big one. Oh my gosh, let's see what this is. This is humongous. And it's a nice shade of blue. All right, it says huge hank of silk, 60% merino, 40% silk, 545 yards, 250 grams, medium weight for color Ola Joe. Oh my. Color is called Ola Joe. Oh my God. Woo, this box. Crystal, you got me. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's so pretty. Y'all know I love blue, right? This is gorgeous. And the feel of it. Oh, this is top shelf right here. Oh, Ola Joe. Oh my gosh, this is a color for me. Wow, thank you, Crystal. I'm honored. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It matches kind of what I have on. Y'all notice that? Oh, wow, I have to make something great with this. 545 yards. Oh, wow, this is a medium weight 4. So I need to figure out what pattern to do with this yarn. Oh, my goodness, with the Ola Joe hank. This is wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I can't thank you enough. Oh, my word. Oh, my word. And then she came up with this right here. Oh, look at that. Reminds me of blue jeans. What do you all think? Blue jeans? That's what I think. Look at that. Really, really nice. This is 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% nylon. This is a 3-weight. It's 231 yards, 100 grams. This is stone blue. Very, very pretty. Stone blue. I love it. Very, very nice. I love how it's wound. Oh, it's tightly wound. I love that. Oh, wow. This is wonderful. Okay, next up. Oh, look at this pink. This is gorgeous. It's bright. Has a beautiful sheen to it. And it's soft. Feels like butter. I mean, buttery soft. You can't get any softer than that. Very fine yarn. You all see that? Oh, so lovely. Oh, because it's grade A, 100% grade A, pure mulberry silk. And it's 437 yards, 100 grams per hank, and it's a #1 weight. That's why it's mulberry silk. Ooh-wee. This is a beaut, like they used to say back in the day. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, this is amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Next up, we have, oh, look at this. Oh, these are so nice and bright. I love it. That yellow and green. Oh, wow. And look here, you have that lavender, like a dark lavender. Oh, it reminds me of sherbet, like lemon lime sherbet. The little orange. Oh, look at that. That is pretty right there. Oh, look at these colors. This is 100% superwash merino. It's a 3-weight. It's 243 yards, and it's 100 grams. Wow. Very, very nice. This is so pretty. Oh. Oh, neon fleck. This is flecking awesome. Crystal flecking awesome. Catch it, y'all. Catch it. Look at it. Oh, I definitely want to make a hat with this. I could just see a whole sweater or garment, like a cardigan, using one of your cardigan patterns, Crystal, using this yarn here will be spectacular. You get it? Spectacular. 85% superwash merino, 15% nups, and DK weight. It's a 3-weight, and it's 231 yards, 100 grams. Oh, this is nice. I love this. Oh my gosh, I definitely want to make something with it. I just love all the different color flecks. Reminds me of confetti. That's what it reminds me of. Really, really wonderful. Oh, I like this one. Oh, look at that sparkle and shine. This is Gold Sparkle Fingering. 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 5% gold stellina. And this is a fingering weight, 437 yards, 100 grams. Boston cream pie. Oh, yes. Yummy. Yummy to the tummy. Look. Oh, my goodness. Wow. This is lovely. Oh, man. This is a nice one. Oh. I cannot wait to start hanking up some of this yarn when I'm ready to use it and work on a project. But I'm like, what do I want to start on first? Which one do I want to tackle? Not sure yet. Then I have some little minis here. Oh, and look at this blue. This is so me. So I feel like Crystal probably just dyed these for me because I love blue. And this is, ooh, this is me. Oh my goodness, this could be like I almost wore a head wrap, like a green head wrap. And I'm just thinking about how the head wraps are twisted going around. That's what it reminded me of, this hank. Like when we twist it up and wear it around. Y'all can see that, right? These are nice. Oh yeah, I can make something great with this. Just enough to pull off a project. Oh yeah. These are really, really pretty. I love the color. This is like right up my alley. Okay, right up my alley. Oh yeah, that's nice. See that? Oh Lord, yes. Yes. Okay, and one more, last but not least, we have this one right here. Oh my goodness. This is like you go to a specialty ice cream shop and you see this, and this is what you treat yourself to, is ice cream like this. And I've had ice cream that looked like this years ago. This is called, this is flecked. And it's 85% superwash merino and 15% Nook and DK 3 weight, and it's 231 yards. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. I love it. Just the perfect color blue, and I love that pink and yellow, the yellow flecks in there. Looks like there is a little green too. Can you all see that green color? Yes, sort of like a pea green. Very, very beautiful. I would like to thank you for tuning in to Ola Joe, the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you for watching me every day for the Bag O' Day Crochet Advent Calendar, and for watching day 24, the finale. Oh, look at the finale. Oh my gosh. This is totally amazing. So if you ever get an opportunity to buy one of Crystal's advent calendars, please do. You can still support her. I will put the link in the description box for Etsy shop. You all have a wonderful day, and like I always say, live each day as if it were it last. I'll see you next time. Thank you, Crystal. Love you.